Have you ever wondered why water, the most common substance on Earth, behaves so strangely? From expanding when it freezes to its mysterious memory, water's peculiar properties continue to baffle scientists. Welcome to the peculiar world of water. Stick around until the end to uncover the astonishing secrets of water that will make you see this everyday liquid in a whole new light. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more weird science content. Let's get started. Water, H2O, is composed of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, and it covers about 71% of the Earth's surface. Despite its simplicity, water exhibits a plethora of anomalous behaviors that set it apart from almost every other substance. One of the most well-known peculiarities of water is its behavior when it freezes. Unlike most substances, water expands when it turns into ice. This is why ice floats on water, a phenomenon crucial for the survival of aquatic life in cold climates. Water's ability to dissolve a wide range of substances is another remarkable property. It's often called the universal solvent because it can dissolve more substances than any other liquid. This makes it essential for life, enabling the transport of nutrients and waste within organisms. Before we explore more of water's unique characteristics, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our weird science adventures. One of water's lesser-known but fascinating properties is its high specific heat capacity. This means water can absorb a lot of heat before its temperature rises significantly. This property helps regulate the Earth's climate by buffering temperature fluctuations. Water also has a high surface tension, which allows insects like water striders to walk on its surface. This is due to the strong hydrogen bonds between water molecules, creating a skin on the water's surface. Water's density reaches its maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. This means that as water cools from 4 degrees to 0 degrees Celsius, it becomes less dense. This unique property ensures that lakes and ponds freeze from the top down, providing an insulating layer of ice that protects aquatic life during winter. One of the most intriguing aspects of water is its behavior in supercooled states. Water can remain liquid below its normal freezing point if it is free of impurities and disturbances. This supercooled water can instantly turn into ice when disturbed, a phenomenon both stunning and perplexing. Water's role in biological systems is also extraordinary. It participates in countless chemical reactions and is a key player in photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy. And now for the grand reveal. One of the most mysterious properties of water is the concept of water memory. Some researchers have suggested that water can retain a memory of substances that were once dissolved in it, even after they have been removed. This controversial idea has implications for fields like homeopathy and has sparked heated debates within the scientific community. Despite being one of the most studied substances, water continues to surprise scientists. Recent research has revealed that water has at least 17 different solid phases under various conditions of temperature and pressure. These phases include familiar ice forms as well as exotic ones that only exist in extreme environments. Water's behavior under the microscope also uncovers a world of complexity. At the molecular level, water molecules form transient networks through hydrogen bonding, constantly breaking and reforming. This dynamic network is responsible for many of water's unusual properties. Water's unique behavior is not just a scientific curiosity, it has profound implications for life on Earth. Its properties are finely tuned to support life, from regulating body temperature to enabling cellular processes. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the peculiar properties of water, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have about this fascinating topic. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our next weird science adventure. Until next time, stay curious.